Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Price was all over the place, but now that the dust has settled, really from the technical point of view, there's a couple of levels that really stand out very clearly. And I want to make, just note up front that I am by no means trying to come across like this is some sort of great talent that I have or that I have some sort of special ability to have been able to, seen these levels. Nothing like that. And I make all those comments because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic levels. And that's what we have, with these, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have with each of these levels. So the first area, and like I said, a lot of people are watching this level right here at 22 cents. I mean, that is essentially where the price consolidated out. Things got crazy. When they started to kind of calm down, that right there is what established itself as an area of support. And like I said, this is not some sort of great discovery. You're going to have long shorts and everybody in between watching that level and wondering going forward, if the price holds above that level, can it hold up above it? Now, if it does not, don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to imply that there's some sort of guarantee out there. My point here is, not a guarantee, but is it valid? Is it rational to think that if that level does not quite hold up, that the price could very well create enough downwards pressure to at least visit 20 cents, if not even lower than that? Yeah, that is absolutely a more than rational thought to have. And a lot of people will be thinking that exact same thing. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but rational to think that way. On the flip side, you're going to have the level right up here at 25 cents. A whole lot of people, breakout players and everybody in between watching that level and wondering, can the price break above it? If the price can break above it, once again, to really reiterate, not a guarantee of anything, but is it valid? Is it rational to think that it could create enough buying pressure to potentially send it up to the 30-cent mark? Yeah, that I don't think that would catch anybody off guard and, surprise anybody to see that sort of movement, especially when this one is shown with this big old wide range right here. This thing can move very, very quickly. So these are going to be the main levels to watch moving forward. Like I said, a lot of people are going to be watching them. Call them self-fulfilling prophecies, call them whatever you want, but we'll see how this one plays out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.